I should hope so. You kids have been playing outside for the past 9 hours.
Yeah.
How would you kids like a delicious chocolatey glass of circle tea? Get the milk and vinegar! Hey, gang! Mix it together, kids! It's ready!
Go tell Grandpa.
Say nothing!